Hello my darlings, it's phonics time, so make sure those phonics hats are on and your brain is awake. Yep, and ready for phonics. Okie dokie. Right, so yesterday we looked at the A sound, which before yesterday you had only known as this digraph, as in pain and main, and we could do Spain as well. That's a country. Okay, so we've got that sound. Yesterday, we also learned that this digraph could be written like this. Okay, we've got this sound, as in play and tray and even spray. Okay, wow, that went really wonky. Sorry, children, that went very wonky at the side, okay? But the point is, the digraph is written differently, but said, pronounced the same way, okay? Now, you will also note that this way, with the AI, it is used in the middle of the word, okay? But with the AY, it is used at the end of a word, okay? So you will often find that this is the case with a digraph that can be written in two different ways. One way is used at the ends of words and one way is used in the middle of words, okay? So that's quite helpful because when you come to spell something and you're thinking, I want to use this word and it's definitely got the A sound in it, but I just don't know which one. And then you can always have a little think and think, okay, so I want to spell the word tray. I had a tray. Now, it's got the A sound, and I know it's a digraph. Oh, and the digraph is at the end of the word, and if I'm using the A sound at the end of a word, then it's A-Y. And there you go, you've sorted it. Don't worry if this isn't all in your heads yet, children. It will be, okay? It's just practice, 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 and then one day you'll realise that you know it. Okay, now today we are looking at another spelling for a digraph. Okay, now you know this digraph already, the ow digraph, as in how or cow, okay, or wow, or even just ow, I hurt my finger. Okay, but today we're looking at a different spelling for it, okay, when we've got the O and the U together, the O and the R together, okay, but it still makes the ow sound, okay, and we can use it in words like loud, l-oud, k-l-oud, cloud, and let's see, and shout, sh-out. Okay, so there's our new spelling of this ow digraph. There we go. Whoops, I'm a little bit out of focus. There we go. Okay, so, I'm going to move that out of the way now. Right, so what we're going to do now is I am going to say some words and I want you to have a little go at spelling them, okay? So I'm going to draw some pictures for them, okay? And then we'll write them together, but you can always have a go first. So remember that my drawing, especially on a whiteboard, is not always the greatest, okay? So just bear with me. Okay, so if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what would I be doing? I would be counting. So the word we are going to write is count. 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 So let's have a go. It's a curly k. Ow. Look, there's our new digraph. Ow. Okay, and note that there is an in there as well, okay, it often gets missed out. Count, count, count. Now, what are these down here? They are clouds, that's right, so we are going to write cloud. K-l-ow, cloud. And there is our lovely new digraph, okay? Now there is more than one cloud, so that makes it a plural, more than one. So we can add an S to the end to make it clouds, okay? Now this is a mouth, okay? Mouth. Ow. And there's another digraph there, isn't there? Mouth. Mouth. Okay, so we've got count, mouth, and clouds. Here we go. Okay, right. Now we're going to play real or fake words. So I'm going to write some words on the board and we are going to read them together and decide whether they are real or fake. Okay, so let's have a look. Hold on. Just need, oh my goodness, it's looking very strange today. Right, okay, I'm sure you can do it better. Right, and let's do one last one here. Right, okay then, here we go children, here are our words. So let's start off up here. Out, out. Is that a real or a fake word? Real or fake? It's a real word, out. I went out to the park. Real. K-l-ouf. Clouf. Is clouf a real or a fake word? It's a fake word. No such word as that. That's just nonsense. Proud. Proud. Is that real or fake? That's right. It's real. Of course, I am very proud of you because you tried so hard. Scout. Scout. Is that real or fake? That's right. It's real. Scout. So if you have a scout around, you have a really good look around. In the army, they have scouts. Those are the people they send ahead to check out the land and see if there are any enemies around. There's also organisations, you might have heard them if you've heard of like brownies and scouts, so you can join those, and those are like kind of fun after school organisations where you learn life skills and make friends and have fun, okay? And if you're younger, then there's like rainbows, and I don't know what the younger one is for boys actually. My sister was a member of Rainbows, which is the only reason I know that. Right, okay, so scout is a real word. Okay, and then we've got this last one here. Baug. Baug. Baug, real or fake? It's a fake word. No such word as baug. Okay, so our real ones were out, proud, and scout. Okay, fantastic. And I just want to draw your attention to out, which is a little bit of a tricky one because we say that this digraph is used in the middle of words, okay? And it hasn't been used at the end, so it hasn't broken the rule where we use this digraph at the end of a word, but it also hasn't got a beginning of the word, okay? It's used at the beginning and the middle, okay? So it's a little bit of a rule breaker, that one, and I just wanted to draw your attention to that. Okay then, my darlings, great job there. On to the next bit. I'm going to tell you a few words. I want you to have a go at writing them down, okay? So, and you have to think about which digraph you're going to use. Is it going to be this one, which spelling of the digraph, or this one, okay? So have a think as you write down the words. So the first word is how, okay? How. The second word is loud, loud. The third word is cow, cow. And the fourth word is mouth. Okay, so we've got how, loud, cow, and mouth. Let's look at those together. Ow. So it's the end of the word that the digraph is appearing in, so we're using this digraph. Then we've got loud. L-oud. we're using the digraph in the middle of the word, so we're using this one. Then we've got cow, k-ow. End of the word, see? Note the pattern. And then we've got mouth, m-ouse. 2 digraphs there, but this is the important one. Again, we're using it in the middle of the word, okay? Good job. Right, okay then. So last thing to do is to write a sentence. So get those pens or pencils ready. And our sentence today is, the sound is too loud, okay? So the sound, sound, the sound is too. Now remember, this is not too tricky word too. This is too as in too much, too loud. The sound is too loud. The sound is too loud. Okay? Sound is too loud. Let's look at it together. The, capital letter. Always. The, finger space. S, ow, nd. There's our digraph. See, we're using it in the middle of a word, so we're using this digraph. Okay? I've got a little bit connected there, and I wasn't supposed to. Let me just write that again for you to make it clear. Okay, the sound, finger space, is too. Now, t-oo. Remember what I was saying? We're using this too as in to say there is too much of something, there's a lot of something, okay? So it's the one with the digraph in it, okay? And the trick is when there's a lot of something, you think of the one which has a lot of O's, okay? It's not the one that only has one. So too loud. L, ow. Again, we're using this digraph because it's in the middle of a word. Too loud. We need a full stop at the end. The sound is too loud. And there we go. The sound is too loud. And you have written your sentence. Well done. Great job. So just remember, we have got this way to write the owl digraph and this way to write the owl digraph. This one is usually used at the ends of words and this one is usually used in the middle of words. Okay, my darlings, give yourself a pat on the back for great phonics work today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your learning.